Hello my friends, this is SAkGUY. Today I want to show you this special knife of Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Collector Society. It's a society of collectors of Swiss Army knives, and every year they give out a special knife. This is a knife of the year 2018. Today I want to show you this knife. 125 pieces was produced, and yes, it's a mechanic. Let's have a look. It's the can opener, the bottle opener, pliers, small blade, and the large blade with 2018. From the beginning, it's always the word of year in German language. I think it's a tradition of this collector society to do this. Yes, the back layer tools are the Phillips screwdriver here and the reamer. Yes, and then with a new style of camo scales. Very nice knife. Yes, 3-layer. This model, the mechanic, is not longer available of Victorinox. It's a very nice idea to take this model for the 2018 knife. Yes, this was the knife of 2018. I hope you enjoyed this video, and that was everything I want to show you today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.